Hello and welcome to Luann's Candy Review. Okay, this is made by the company Samlip, and I'm not even going to attempt to read the Korean, but maybe I should try. Siani Go Gol Gol Gor 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 no Ho Dog. That might be totally wrong. My Korean is horrible, so maybe this will get laughter. Okay, so it's these things, and I asked the guy if it was chocolate, and he told me it wasn't chocolate. He said it was honey. So this drippy stuff is supposed to be honey, and then it's supposed to be something with peanuts. And I wasn't sure exactly what this was. I was just like, okay. But there's like 5 or 6 of these things inside, right? It's like, kind of like, it feels like bread, like a roll of some sort, right? It's like a little bit soft, but not super soft. Okay, we can see something that looks like seeds, I guess. It looks like seeds throughout this bread. And if we take a bite, I'm just going to break it in half, but if we take a bite, right, this is what we see. So it's mostly bread and a little bit of this stuff in the middle. Just a little bit. The picture looks like a lot. Look at this. Big difference, right? Big difference. And it's not just because it's squished, it's just there's not so much in there. Okay, so we take a bite, and it just tastes like, kind of like a roll. Like a squished old roll that you don't necessarily want to eat. Which is not super delicious at all. Like, definitely not delicious. Nobody at my job likes them. I can't even get rid of them, so I have to eat them all myself. Can't be wasteful. Okay, so this definitely does not get a thumbs up, right? I give this candy or bread or sweet or whatever it's supposed to be a thumbs down. Ugh. So dry. Okay. Thank you for watching Luann's food review.